Passive incomes are the income streams which bring a free money that doesn't require much effort. These are the side jobs that you can do along with your primary job. The rich people make money by creating several side businesses. In this video, we will be telling you the 10 best passive income ideas that will make you a millionaire. Watch the video till the end to get the full information. Now let's start. 1. Write an adventure story. Writing a fantasy book can be among the best ways to make money without doing anything. This can be a great way to show off your talent to the world. When you get a regular job, you trade your time for money. But when you write fiction, you can keep making money even after the work is done. Self-publishing your book may serve as a great way to start making extra income if you want to be a writer. You could even put out your own books on Amazon and other sites. You may also sell it as an e-book. 2. Put real estate investment trusts to work. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are businesses that own and run places that make money, like apartment buildings, shopping centers, and office spaces. They give buyers a chance to own industrial real estate. If you buy in a real estate investment trust, you can get a piece of the rental income that these buildings bring in. This is called passive income. One of the perks of dealing in real estate investment trusts is that you can make money from business real estate without having to control the tenants. You can make money by owning a property without having to deal with problems with tenants, requests for repairs, or other issues that come up with owning a property. Since REITs are traded on the stock market, they offer liquidity to investors who want to buy and sell shares quickly. This gives investors more control over their commercial real estate investments. If you want to know more amazing ways to earn money without any effort, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Put money into the stock market. If you invest in the stock market, you can make money without working. You can get a piece of the company's income by buying stocks that pay dividends. This gives the company a chance to grow over the long term. Your investments may go up in value over time, giving you a bigger gain on your initial investment. A lot of companies also raise their dividends over time, so you can make more money every year without having to make any new investments. When you buy stocks, you can put your money into both big, well-known companies and small, up-and-coming startups. This lets you build a diverse portfolio that can help you reduce risk while boosting gains. However, it's important to keep in mind that it does need some beginning study and money. 4. Having an Airbnb. If you want a way to make money without doing much, Airbnb renting might be a good choice. Hosting on Airbnb lets you make money without having to spend a lot of time handling your home. You also have more freedom than with regular renting because you can choose when and how often to have guests over. You can get higher prices than regular rentals if you offer something unique and personalized. This will help you get the most out of your investment. You can get in touch with a wider range of possible guests because Airbnb has so many users. Airbnb also lets you market your home and get feedback, which helps you grow and improve your sharing business for better results. 5. Letting anyone rent your car. You could make extra money by renting out a car you own but don't use very often. As a private income source, letting out your car has a lot of benefits. To start, it's an easy way to make extra cash without putting in a lot of work. After putting your car on a good car-sharing website, you won't have to worry about anything else. Also, leasing your car might help you pay for some of the costs that come with owning a car, like insurance and repairs. Your car can be rented out for short amounts of time, like on the weekends or holidays when you're not using it. Not only does getting a car save you money, it also helps the environment by pushing people to share cars and lowering the overall number of cars on the road. 6. Making your own YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is very simple. You just need to upload video regularly for 3 consecutive months, and you will start generating some passive revenue from YouTube AdSense. You can work in any field. You may choose the line of your favorite sport or some books you like. Topics are endless. You just need to work for some time, patiently. It won't take much effort in making only one YouTube video and uploading it. I started this channel on March and now I am earning a good amount of money, so you could also do. 7. Business with paid memberships. Paying members can help you make a steady amount of idle income. Giving users access to special material, goods, or services can help you build a loyal customer base and make regular money. A membership business is best because it lets you build a steady stream of income from a group of people who are more likely to be loyal and active than one-time customers. This will help you better handle your money and guess how much money you will make. Having a membership business can also be a great way to become an expert in your field, build a community around your brand, and give each customer personalized help and value. 8. Purchase stocks that pay dividends. Investing in stocks that pay dividends could be a great way to make passive income. People who own these stocks get regular dividends, which are payments made from the company's gains to its owners. Over time, this can become a stable source of income. One good thing about buying dividend stocks is that they might go up in value over time. You may get an increased return on your investment if dividends go up as the company makes more money over time. You could also invest in index funds, which are mutual funds that follow a certain market measure, like the S&P 500. By buying a lot of different dividend-paying stocks in the index funds offer diversity. This method lets you invest casually in a diverse group of income stocks without having to pick and keep an eye on each individual stock. Index funds are an easy and quick way to get exposure to a lot of different markets while also looking for passive income through dividends. 9. Own a property to rent out. You can set your own prices for rentals when you own a rental property, which lets you get the most out of your rental income. Also, rental income can help you save for retirement by giving you a steady source of income in your later years. When you use this type of passive income, your rented home might go up in value over time. 10. Making apps. Developing apps is a good way to make money and will finally give you extra income. As the need for mobile apps grows, so does the market for app creation. This is good news for business owners who want to make money from this trend. When your app is finished and out in the world, it can make money by means of in-app sales, app fees, and ads. You can also make a paid app to make money. That's all for today. These are the best passive income streams that will make you rich very quickly. I have been doing these side jobs since 5 years and I have gained enormous profits from these side businesses. These side gigs possess some risk, but that risk is almost negligible. You can also make money from those side jobs. We told you everything about those passive incomes. These side gigs are done by all the multi-millionaires. These side businesses will let you to diversify your income streams. Investment is also a kind of side business. You have 2 more tasks. First is to subscribe to our channel and second is to press the like button present below. These actions will help you to get notified with the latest financial updates and financial tricks. If you have any best friends, then share this video with them. Let me know in the comments if I have missed something. Thank you all for watching the video till here.